Hello class, today's lesson is gonna be about subjects. Before starting with the compound subject, I should start first reviewing what the subject is. So, the subject of the sentence must be a noun like person, place, thing, or animal. Person like student, place like buildings, thing like chairs, or animals like horses. Now, when I have a pronoun, which is a word that takes the place of a person, place, thing, or animal, in the place of the subject, we no longer call them pronouns, we call them exactly subject pronouns. Now, can you please repeat after me? It is I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Very good. Now, the subject is called the doer of the action. So when I have in my sentence an action verb, then the subject here is the one doing the action. But when my subject is the noun being described in the sentence, this means that I have a linking verb and the subject is only the one being described. In order to find the subject of a sentence, you must at first find the verb. The second thing you should do is ask who or what before it. So, here's an example. Mary threw the ball. Now, the first thing I should do is to find the verb. Can you please help me? Where's my verb? Very good. So, it is threw. Now, I should ask myself who or what before it. So I ask myself, who threw? Do you know? Excellent. The answer is Mary. Therefore, Mary is the subject of the sentence. Here is another example of a subject found in a sentence. Now, there are two things to do. The first thing is to actually find the verb. The second thing is to ask who or what before it. This sentence, the building looks towering. Where is my verb? Can you help me? Very good. It is looks. Looks is the verb here. But do you still remember, guys? It's called a linking verb. Looks here is not the action verb. The verb looks here is a linking verb. Now let's see. Who or what? What looks towering? And let me remind you with this thing, guys, that who we use it for people, what we use it for things and for animals. So what looks towering? Very good. The answer is the building. Therefore, the building is the subject of the sentence. We discussed the subject in general, and now it's time to talk about it in details. The first thing is the simple subject. It is one subject without any adjectives. I repeat, one subject with no adjectives. Example, the tall girls played a game. We said that my subject stops when my verb begins. Can anyone tell me where's my verb here in this sentence? Very good. The verb is played. So I forget all about played a game and I focus my attention on the tall girls because my simple subject is one of these three words. Now, the is an article and it's a special kind of adjective. The word tall is also an adjective and it's related to size. So this means that my simple subject is girls. Very good. The complete subject is one subject with all the adjectives that describe it. In the simple subject, it's also one subject, but without the adjectives. Here, the complete subject, it is one subject plus all the adjectives that come with it. Now, the tall girls played a game. Again, where's my verb? It is played, and my subject then is the tall girls. And since we said that the complete subject is one subject plus all the adjectives, then can you tell me where's my complete subject? Don't forget, one subject plus adjectives. Can you tell me? Excellent job, guys. The complete subject is the tall girls. All of it is my complete subject. A compound subject would contain more than one doer of the action or more than one subject described. This means that if I have two or more subjects in a sentence doing an action, then these subjects are considered as compound subject. And if I have two or more subjects in a sentence being described, then I have a compound subject as well. Now, to separate the subjects from each other, then I have to add something called a conjunction. And some examples of the conjunctions are or, and, either or, neither nor. So the compound subject is two or more subjects, plus all the adjectives with them, plus conjunction. Let's see this example. The 5 boys and the pretty girls saw the play. Can anyone please tell me, where is my simple subject? Excellent. There isn't any simple subject because here I have two, which are girls, boys. Plus, where is my conjunction here? And. Excellent. So I do not have a simple subject and I do not have a complete subject because I have two subjects here. So this means, where is my compound subject? Very good. The compound subject is the 5 boys and the pretty girls. So here, guys, are some examples, and the underlined words are considered as the compound subject.